We are back, and I'm going to explain to you why every YouTuber who does movie math is wrong. I constantly hear YouTubers that review movies and do movie math talk about the marketing costs, and they always tack that on because the trades like to tack that on to the overall budget. Or this 40-year-old phrase that I hear all the time in the film industry is 2.5 times your budget to break even. That is so old and doesn't even matter anymore. I'll explain to you why. According to IRS.gov and all my experience in the film industry, I can tell you this: marketing is a 100% write-off to the studios. And you know what? They want to write that off. Major companies like Warner Brothers, Universal, you name it across the gambit, they're trying to get to a zero tax liability at the end of the fiscal year. Studios budget how much they're going to spend throughout the entire year for their slate of films. And those studios know they're going to write that off at the end of the year. So it doesn't matter if a movie makes its money back plus covers the marketing, because in the end, they're still going to write it off. Let's look at what they say on IRS.gov about what is considered marketing and what can be written off. They consider ordinary and necessary. That means those costs are acceptable and common in your industry and are helpful and appropriate for your business to generate income. Directly related business expenses are advertising costs for online and traditional campaigns like Google ads, Facebook ads, print ads, radio, and TV spots. So if you're spending $6 million on a Super Bowl ad, that's a write-off. Website development and maintenance, including hosting, designing, content creation, assuming that the website's primary focus is advertising. Social media and marketing expenses such as paid promotions, influencer partnerships, and content creation. TikTok, get an influencer to peddle your stuff, soups, Real Rejects, promotional materials like business cards, brochures, flyers, and banners, email marketing tools and subscriptions, and costs associated with trade shows like going to Comic-Con, event sponsorships like red carpet events in other countries like England, London, Japan. Every dime they spend, fly there, put up all the posters, everything they've got to do in advance is all a write-off. So please, for the love of God, when you're doing your movie math, don't add the marketing to it because it doesn't matter. And now you know.